Hi guys, it's Divya. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my second year of college at NIFT in my department, which is fashion communication. And if you guys know me from the start, you know that the very first video that I posted on this channel was me telling you guys about my first semester, and we are already done with 2 years of college at NIFT, which is crazy. So here I am. I'm going to share everything about my second year of college. Now, starting off, when I went to my department in the second year, I did not know everyone in my class because first year में हम लोग की अलग अलग classes होती थी and each class had different people from every department. So we did not know everyone from our department. When I entered into my class in second year, I saw everybody and I was like, okay, these are the people with whom I'm going to survive 3 years of college. And I must say, I really like the people in my class. I really like our class because it's so wholesome and we come together as a team, so that is very nice. And talking about the faculties, we knew few of them and आधे faculties को हम नहीं जानते थे because मतलब I'm talking about my experience. So I knew half the faculty and I did not know the other half because half of them taught us in foundation year and half of them did not. So this was our first time interacting with the faculties. So it was a new experience. Now I'm going to tell you the highlights of my Sem 3 because if I keep on talking about every subject, this video will get like 1 hour long and no one will watch it. So in Sem 3, we had 5 major subjects and 1 minor and 2 electives and 1 workshop. So we had one calligraphy workshop that was just for 0.5 credits. So it was not a very big deal, but we did learn calligraphy in that. And then we had 5 major subjects, which includes design methodology for fashion, fashion and print media, photography, which was monument and landscape photography, semiotics and letter forms, and space and materiality. So I basically I mainly remember 2 subjects, which were photography and fashion and print media, because these 2 subjects made us do a lot of work and I should say it was all worth it. So yeah, I will try to tell you guys about every subject, but mainly I'll focus on these 2 because I personally like them and I got to learn something in those subjects. So talking about photography, if you guys follow me, you might have seen that I have also uploaded a video on Hampi trip. Yes, it was a part of our photography subject and we had to carry our camera throughout the trip. We literally had our cameras on us all the time and wherever we went we clicked pictures because we had to make a photo book, a monument photo book for Hampi. It was such a good experience because that was the first time I used a camera and I did not buy it, I rented it. There's a website called sharepal.com and you can rent cameras from there. So I rented it for around 3 to 4,000 and I think it was for 10 days. I don't exactly remember, but if you go to their website you'll know the prices. So it was really good because if you go on buying for a camera, it doesn't make any sense because you don't know, right? You don't exactly know if you're into photography or not. So that is that. We actually bonded as a class. We bonded as classmates and that was the trip which made us, close to each other. We got to know everyone better. We had very good bonding with our faculty and it was such a good experience. Photography mein there was another assignment where we had to shoot one monument in Hyderabad and I went to this mosque kind of a thing and I shot everything. Then again we made a photo book. So photo book mein paise to bahut lagte hai. Costs around 1,000 to 2,000 rupees, but it's all worth it because when you look at it, after it's done, you feel like, okay, you have done something. Talking about fashion and print media, oh my god, that subject has very subjective opinions because for me, it was very exhausting, but it was fun at the same time. Fashion and print media was taught to us by a very good faculty. I think she's the best faculty in our college for fashion communication. So in that subject, we initially learned about writing articles, and for the jury, we made a whole magazine of 80 pages, and that was so chaotic. If you guys want to see that, go see my Sem 3 jury vlog. You'll know what exactly I'm talking about. It was such a roller coaster experience because we were juggling from shoots to articles to layouts to everything. We literally sat for 2-3 nights together for people who were doing the layouts and stuff. Oh my god, they were so exhausted. Like, my friend, she almost cried on the last day of, like, the day before our jury, because रात भर ये लोग बैठ के पूरा layout वगैरह कर रहे थे, and it was so exhausting but it was so fun at the same time. हम लोग ने सारे shoots किए, उसमें we made a whole set, we shot everything there. हमारे friends ने modeling की, हमने ही shoot किया. It was so fun. Like, it was actually very fun and exhausting at the same time. But fashion and print media was the subject I will never forget, because it was like हम department enter कर रहे हैं and there's a subject that makes you feel like you're learning something. बाकी subjects में I personally did not enjoy it as much as this one. So, and then we had semiotics and letter forms. उसमें भी we made our own font, and वो भी कुछ नया experience था. I personally don't like it as much, but yeah, it was really good for some people. Then there was space and materiality, जिसमें we explored textures, and we, for the jury, we made like a इतना बड़ा model. We made a 3D model of a particular area, and I like that subject because I like material handling. And design methodology for fashion was more about how do you go with designing something, what is the process and all. So we learned that. And then for my IDM, like for my minor, I have taken accessory design. So I had a fashion accessory subject. So the subject was called Introduction to Fashion Accessories. So it was also nice. I actually wanted to learn about home accessories, but this time we have fashion accessories, so I have to deal with that. But yeah, it was fun. That was all about Sem 3. Talking about Sem 4. Sem 4 was not actually as happening as Sem 3, but we still did something. So Sem 4 mein we had design research, which is a craft based case studies subject. It was a major. And then we had fashion culture and costume. We had publication design, we had store experience design, and then we also had our deepening specialization starting this semester. So I took styling. So in styling, I had image design for fashion lifestyle industry, and then we had 2 electives as usual, and then we also had IDM, which is minor. So mine was fashion accessories again. We had 2 workshops this semester. One was a field trip, so we went to this place called Hidden Castle. That I have also vlogged that, so if you want to see it, go check it out. We had so much fun, and this time we actually ended up making an Instagram page for our class, which is called FC27 or something. I'll put the handle here so you can check it out. So that trip was the highlight of Sem 4 for me. And then the other was color psychology workshop, which was very fun. Talking about the subjects in fashion culture and costume, we learned about different costumes and cultures, Indian, Western, everything. And for the jury, we made a booklet wherein we did the photo shoot and the article about historic costume. So that was interesting. And then for publication design, for our first assignment, we made a magazine cover, taking one of our faculties from our college, taking them as the subject, and we did like 12 to 15 pages of the magazine for those, doing the layouts and the fonts and imagery, everything. For end-term assignment, we had to make prospectus for NIFT, and then it continued to jury. So we were a group of 9 people and we worked on making a prospectus for NIFT, and that went well. And then for store experience design, it mainly deals with, you know, giving an experience to the customers. So we basically did that. We made PPTs, we made 3D models on SketchUp about a NIFT store, and then what is the story behind it, the branding and everything. Talking about design research, for MTA we identified a problem and then suggested solutions for it. So we had to go on different websites, look up to articles and find out, make a case study, all of that, and take the surveys and questionnaire, everything. So we did that. And then for end-term, we had to publish an article on Wikipedia. People have very bad experiences for that assignment because the articles were not getting accepted, and once our faculty marked us, then the articles published there. So it was a bad experience. And then for our jury, we again did a craft based study in which we had to choose a craft from Hyderabad or Andhra Pradesh, and then we went on researching on it, finding out the problem, suggesting solutions for it, taking the surveys and everything. So it was more like a theory based subject. Like we had to read a lot of articles, we had to do a lot of research. So we did that in design research. For my deepening specialization, I had taken styling. So in that we basically learned about food styling this semester, and we will learn about different stylings also in the next semesters. And that was all about my Sem 4, I guess. There was nothing very prominent or exciting that I had to share, but if I have to give you an highlight of my second year, I will say it was the magazine, because I think if you ask anyone from my class, they'll say it was the magazine, and they should. For some people it was a good experience, for some people it was horrible, and but for me it was good. So, and I got to learn a lot of things. Our faculty was so nice. She used to teach us everything. Like she used to tell us exactly point to point what to do, what not to do. So that was good. And that's it for this video. I hope you got some idea about fashion communication. It's not like this is it. There are more subjects coming up in the further semesters, and I think we have branding and promotion, studio photography, all of these coming up in my 5th semester. And that was it for this video. If you like it, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, share this with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.